How to customize the chart. To customize your chart on BlackArrow, you go to the main menu and select Tools, Settings, then Appearance. Here you can choose the color scheme you want. Let's select New Dark. Here you can change the color and customize a bunch of things, like candles, for example. Down here you have other options of customization, like title bar text, watermark, and display shadow of last candles. And here on the side, you can customize the scale bar and choose the spacing. To save, you just press OK. If you want a quick shortcut to customize your chart, you can right-click on the background and select Chart Properties. Then here you can change chart and scale colors, the style of the background color, and some other advanced options. Finally, here in Show Watermark, you can adjust the transparency of the watermark in the background of your chart. To save it, you just click in OK. We hope this video helped you understand how to customize the chart on BlackArrow.